actually had a prof at MUN who every time he tried to speak, that's the only music that ran through my head.
Did you want to say it alive?
Like he would always like scratch his mustache or something, or like scratch like his upper lip. Hey, birdie. Granny. Just need to find out where his buddy is.
Owls are the most unenthused animals on the planet.
I don't know if I saw one that was excited, I'd probably be scared. They seem to only really get excited when they want to eat whatever it is they're chasing. Go away. Bug. Nee! Oh my god, he puffed up his head. Alright, find his buddy.